bayay.
Till he got real sick and fell off that cliff. Oh,
Ano gagawin nila?
well, you know how they like to talk.
Kakatayin?
But now,
Ha? Or
it's
hindi?
just me. Living on
Tingnan
soup.
natin.
Soup I make from old soup.
Ano ba papasukin nyo
Soup
doon?
after soup after soup. I have to
But
get
no,
out of this
ano yung mission?
sometimes and clear my head.
Ano?
Though I don't recognize any of this. Where are we?
Don't worry. These mountains all start to look the same after a while.
Those damn birds, always singing no matter how many times I poison them. Bird soup. Soup with birds. Birds with soup. Every night I think I found peace, but then morning comes and with it another fresh hell. I come up here to escape them and they're...
Carl, ito na Carl.
Hey, fella. What do you got? What do you got?
I heard you're interested in taking care of some lost travelers for a price.
And so it
Yep,
is.
what do you
So it is. Leave
So
the
yan
money.
guys, binenta lang natin yung babae na hitchhiker. Bawal nga tayo pumasok. Ayan o, bawal nga tayo pumasok. Bakit? Uy, 1,000. Gagawin nila. So yun guys, nabenta na natin. Hanapin na lang natin yung kotse. You have earned a trophy. May trophy na naman ako. Anong ginawa nila? Anong ginawa nila? Hindi umingay. Biyak lang. Bakit? Nawala na yung kotse ko. Bakit? Saan na ba yan? Akin yun. Tawag na lang tayo ng taxi. Tawag ka na. So yun guys, nabenta na natin.
Believe
ang
it or not,
babae.
I need a cab.
On its way, sir.
1,000
Thanks for calling.
ang
I'll
nakuha
be here.
natin. So yun, dun tayo magkakaroon ng pera. So tayo lang natin yung taxi. Oh! So guys, mamaya na lang ulit. Thank you.